Implementing a standalone banner can be very significant and crucial for your mobile app business, especially when it comes to announcing some important updates to your customers. Adding CDs, let's say for subscribing to newsletters, or captivating your customers to make a purchase. Utilizing a standalone banner for cross-promotion activities for services and promotions. Acknowledging your audience about some upcoming events. It can be feature updates or a shout out for ongoing offers and discounts, and thus delighting your customers to engage with your app better. So, if you are an app developer and a Shopify merchant who's looking to implement a standalone banner in your mobile app within few minutes, so here's a quick tutorial for you. In today's demo video, you will learn that how can you create a standalone banner with quick and customizable setup and configuration with MageNative Mobile App Builder. So let's get started. So once you are on the page of theme settings and you have selected all the components for your mobile app, you have to open a standalone banner settings right from here. So as you can see, once I've selected standalone banner settings, I'm getting the two settings over here. The first is layout feature and then is upload. In the layout feature, we will discuss that how can you set up the entire display layout for your standalone banner. We're having the two options over here with the help of which we will set up the layout for a standalone banner. The next we have is upload feature. With the help of this feature, you can upload image for your standalone banner and you can also set up the buttons for the same. So we will start with each and every setting one by one. So let's get started with the layout. How can you set up the layout? The first setting is display layout option. Let us understand that what are the settings with the help of which you can set up the display of a standalone banner. So the first is button position. So there are three options in this drop down, as you can see. The first is middle, then is bottom, and then if you do not want to keep button in your standalone banner, you can go with the third option. So let's go with the middle, and as you can see, as I'm selecting or going with one of the selections in the drop down menu, the button position is getting changed as per my selection. So this is how with the help of button position you can set up the position of the buttons in a standalone banner. The next is banner size. So with the help of banner size, you can select what size of the banner you want to keep. So it can be half, it can be 2x, it can be 3x. The resolution, as you can see over here, based on your business requirements, you can make one of the selection from this particular drop down. So let's go with this. And then we have text alignment. So for example, if you want to keep the text as left or right or center, so there are three options over here. You can select one of the options as per your choices. So let's keep it right for now. Then we have button title changer. Now with the help of button title changer, you can set up the text that you want to be appear on these two particular buttons which you have kept for your standalone banner. So for example, it can be, let's keep the text over here. It can be like product 1 and it can be product 2. These two texts I am keeping for now. It will completely depend on your choice, or it can be offers, it can be some products or categories, so it will depend on you. Right now I am going with these two particular button text. So I have kept the button text over here. Now I have done all the settings. Now let's learn what can you do with the help of upload feature. So in the upload feature, as you can see, this is the recommended size, which means that if you're looking to upload image for a standalone banner, which will particularly be appeared over here, so you have to upload the image which as per this particular resolution. So simply you have to pick the image from your device and upload it over here. So let's select the image, and I've selected the image. As you can see, you're also getting the option to select the particular area which you want to be shown in this particular standalone banner. So we will select the area. Let's keep this much, and then you have to click on crop and save. So once you are clicking on crop and save, the image would be uploaded successfully, and as you can see, it is also reflecting in your mobile app. So this is how quickly it works. Now the next is button 1 link and button 2 link. With the help of these two settings, you can set up the redirection on these two particular buttons. Now what redirection you can set on these two buttons? Let us understand this. If you click on this drop down menu, you are getting three options over here: collection, product or web URL. So if you want your customers to click on this particular button and get redirected to some collection or some product or web URL, you can select one option out of these based on your business choices, and it will be reflected. So for example, if you select collection, so you will be asked to select to which collection you want your customers to get redirected after clicking on button 1. So for example, let's select this and it will be reflected on the button 1. The similar process you have to follow for button 2 also. There are three options. So for example, if you want your customers to click on the button to and get redirected to some product, so you can select this product, and once you are selecting the product, you will also be required to select which particular product you want to set redirection to. So let's select this particular product. Now we have done all the settings. Now the next step is click on apply. So clicking on the apply would reflect all the settings of a standalone banner successfully on your mobile app. So this is how quickly it works. So let's click on apply button. So as you can see that the standalone banner has successfully been created, and over here as you can also see we're having the button of reset. So if you want to reset all the settings for standalone banner, simply you have to click on this button, and suppose if you want to delete this component based on your choices and the requirements, simply you have to click on this button and a standalone banner will be removed from your mobile app. So this is how it works, and in just a quick and few steps you can set up standalone banner very successfully in your mobile app. So this is how in just a quick and few steps you can implement a standalone banner in your mobile app and engage and delight your customers better and get more and more conversions. If you have any queries, or if you're stuck in between the entire process of configuration and settings, you can write your queries in the comment section and we will definitely be glad to help you. Or if you directly want to connect to our support team and get more assistance at any of the steps, you can visit the links that we have mentioned in the video description content. We will be coming up with more and more tutorials on next components further. So till the next video, take care and thank you for watching.